The popularity of competitive shooting in America has since crossed over into the civilian population, prompting the formation of new organizations like the United States Practical Shooting Association. Its fast-paced arcade style brings a unique brand of entertainment to the sport, and Jerry is one of the great entertainers. Jerry keeps his trigger finger competition ready by shooting every chance he gets. That means spending a lot of time at the range.
In competition shooting, speed is king. So with that in mind, I'd like to show you some of the equipment that we use to do some speed shooting. What I have here today is one of our timers that we shoot in competition. The way this particular piece of equipment works, it picks up the sound of every shot and it registers on the timer. So when you go back and review it, you can get an idea exactly how many shots you fired and the time span it took you to do it. So we'll take this 1911 pistol and go ahead and fire 10 rounds on that target and try to do it in around 2 seconds.
Jerry's model 1911 pistol is a semi-automatic handgun that holds 10 .45 caliber bullets.
Let's take a look at the clock here and see actually the time it took to do that. The total time was 1.99, but what's important here is what the first shot was, because we're going from the first to the 10th shot, and the first shot came in exactly 77 hundredths.
That means Jerry fired a shot every 10th of a second, but his trigger finger is just getting warmed up.
This particular timer has an RPM mode, which means round per minute, and the same thing that you would time a machine gun with. So what I like to do is set it on RPM and take that 1911 pistol, and I'm going to have to cheat a little bit to make it shoot a little fast. I'm going to shoot it with both hands, and let's see what kind of RPM we can do here. All right, let's take a look at the RPM there. That was actually 674 rounds per minute, so it's a little bit faster with two hands, but sometimes you have to cheat.
Here it is again. Jerry shoots his pistol as fast as a machine gun, but how fast can he hit a target he can't even see? Standing 15 feet away from a steel target, Jerry will attempt to fire 6 shots, reload, and then fire another 6 shots in 6 seconds or less, and he'll be unable to see his target. Jerry will be using a Smith & Wesson Model 625 revolver set for double-action fire.
I'd like to show you my handgun if you have a second here. The way this gun is set up, it's set up for really fast reloads, and also the action on it is very smooth, so it's conducive to speed.
Jerry's Model 625 holds 6 .45 caliber bullets and features a wide groove speed trigger for quick shooting. For his reload, Jerry will use a moon clip that holds 6 bullets and simultaneously slides all 6 straight into the chambers for ultra-fast loading. Jerry pulls it off in just under 6 seconds. Although Jerry can't see the target, he still manages to aim his pistol accurately after drawing it from his holster and again following his reload.
Okay, we beat the challenge here at 5 yards. Now we're going to make it a lot harder. We're going to move all the way back to 10 yards, and this should make it at least 10 times harder.
Jerry's margin for error has been cut in half. He'll need an absolutely flawless technique. He's done it.
Woo! There it is. 6 and 6 blindfolded at 10 yards and 5.23 of a second.
Precision with a blindfold and dazzling speed to match.